to my fiddle channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to play the Flowers of Edinburgh, which is another popular session tune. I'm going to teach you it slowly, bit by ear. Play the whole thing through, break it down into the A and B and short sections of each part. And you can pick it up by ear. If you've got the music, you can have a look at that too. But you tend to learn faster by ear, it'll stick in your memory more. So let's give it a go. Okay, so having a look at the A part of the tune and the very first section of that, we're on the D string playing the G note. Okay, so the first part goes like this, nice and slow. Right, I'll play that again so you can hear it. Have a go at playing that yourself now. And a couple of times through till it sticks. And again. And the next part of the A section goes like this. So on the F sharp note here, so it goes up to that D there on the other string. So I'll show you again. So it's see, have a go with that with me now. Again. So keep playing that through till it sticks in your memory. And again. And the next part of the A part is similar, but it goes higher, so it goes onto the E string. I'll play it for you, so listen. Okay, we'll have another go at that. So. See, it ends on the E string. Let's have another go. Okay, keep practicing that through till you get it. And again. One more time. And the very end of the A section finishes with this nice little run and then the last three notes. So it goes like this. And then the long notes So the little run is the shorter note. Okay, so we'll practice that together. And once you practice it a few times, the fast notes will get quicker anyway, so. And again. Speed it up. That's more like how it should sound. Okay, so now we've learnt all those little sections of the A section. Let's bring it all back together and play it all through nice and slowly. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And together again, slowly. Okay, so keep playing that over and over again until it sticks in your memory. And then when you're ready, we'll move on to the B part. Okay, so now you've learnt your A section and you know that off by heart, we're ready to learn the B section, or the B part. So the first part of the B part goes like this. Okay, let's try that again. Keep playing it until it sticks. And again. And the next little bit goes like this. Okay, so let's try and learn that nice and slowly. Okay, try it again. And again. Once more. So keep learning that until it sticks. So the next part of the B part goes. Okay, have another go with me. Have another go. One more time. Then it finishes the B section with this little phrase. So have a go with that. And again. One more time. Okay, so let's have a go at putting all those pieces together and playing the B section all the way through, nice and steady. So keep going over and over that until you completely remembered it. Okay, so now we've learnt the A part and the B part. Once you've memorised both of them, we can put it all back together and play the whole tune. So let's do that together, nice and slow. Section. And repeat. So repeat the whole song over again. And repeat. Section. Just keep playing and practicing until you've got the whole tune and you've memorised it, and then it'll just stick forever. You'll be able to take it to sessions and play it all the time, and it's a lovely tune. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you liked my video, then please do like and subscribe so I can continue to make these tutorial videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.